Hello guys, in this video I'm going to introduce you to DiffusionLight. DiffusionLight is a new technique to estimate lighting from any in the wild input image by inpainting a chrome ball into the image with diffusion models. Let me explain it a bit further. If you look at the architectural diagram on their paper, and I'll share the link in video's description, you can see that it has three parts. And these three parts make up this effective technique to estimate lighting in a single input image. The problem which this is trying to solve is that current techniques rely heavily on HDR panorama datasets to train neural networks to regress an input with limited field of view to a full environment map. But these approaches often struggle with real world uncontrolled settings due to the limited diversity and size of their dataset. And that is where this diffusion model helps, as it has been trained on billions of standard images to render a chrome ball into the input image. So this task is quite challenging if you think about it, because the diffusion models often insert incorrect or inconsistent objects and cannot readily generate images in HDR format. And that is where this research uncovers surprising relationship between the appearance of chrome balls and the initial diffusion noise map, which we utilize to consistently generate high quality chrome balls. And then the researchers of these models have further fine-tuned an LDR diffusion model, or in another word, stable diffusion XL, with low rank adaptation, enabling it to perform exposure bracketing for HDR light estimation. And that is why this method produces convincing light estimates across diverse settings and demonstrates superior generalization to the in-wild scenario. Amazing stuff, really very early stages, but still, as you can see in this diagram, even in the first iteration and then in the second iteration, the quality has increased a lot. So really hats off to these researchers, all of them. They have done a wonderful job, and this research is done by Google Research, WTAI, and Tokyo Tech, Vistech, and Pixiv. Awesome stuff. As I said, I'll drop the link in video's description. Please read through it, and if you have any comments or questions, please share it in the comments. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much.